People are not reporting that 300 people have been killed, not 4, not 10, not 25, 300 people. That news is not even coming out. क्या कल्चर, क्या सिविलाइजेशन भाई? You can't seem to protect these people. हम नहीं करेंगे तो कौन करेगा? पाकिस्तान. People were celebrating IPL, Dhoni's victory. I don't know what to make of it. What a suicidal community. What a delusional civilization. Dhoni has made a comeback, apparently that's what we should be celebrating. Really, what are your priorities? The religion, tell me that the people of that religion would have reacted in the same way, they'd be celebrating an IPL victory. That is the reality of your situation. These are your priorities. Dhoni over Bangladeshi Hindus being raped, murdered and killed. I don't know. I don't know what is the meaning of these discussions. I honestly don't know. What are we achieving? That अगर उनको हमारे history को नहीं पढ़ना है तो नहीं पढ़े, no problem. Then allow us to set up a separate board. You have a problem with the existing board and its syllabus and its textbooks being changed. Good. Keep that problem, no problem. Allow us to set up a different board. History has multiple interpretations. जिसको हमारी इंटरप्रिटेशन को पढ़ना है वो हमारे स्कूल में दाखिल हो जाए, जिसको नहीं पढ़ना है मत आओ, बात खत्म. क्या प्रॉब्लम है इसमें? Why is that not happening? Separate board. We will craft our own history. We will support it with primary evidence. बच्चों को जो पढ़ना है पढ़े, जिनको वहां पे भेजना है भेजे. We'll take the responsibility. Temples will do it. Free the temple. हम अपना पैसा इस्तेमाल करेंगे. Solution तो है. तो बार बार ये हम हिस्ट्री टेक्स्ट बुक को चेंज करने की जो बात किए जा रहे हैं, उनको ये नहीं पढ़ना है क्योंकि उनको लगता है कि उनको तकलीफ होगी या अनदर. नहीं भाई, उनको बिना तकलीफ दिए हम ये काम कर सकते हैं. Therefore, to compare China, you want to do what China does? Fantastic. What did they do? They invented the Han identity, and after they took over Tibet, they pushed their people into Tibet to ensure that there are more Han Chinese in Tibet. तो ये डेवलपमेंट जो कि आप बात कर रहे हैं, it is not divorced of culture. Let us see if any government in this country has the guts to send a massive Hindu population into Kashmir even after abrogation of Article 370 or amendment of Article 370. ये नहीं होगा. कौन कर रहा है आज? जो जा रहे हैं वो मर के वापस आ रहे हैं on 4 shoulders, right? So understand that development without a very clear identity vision or a civilizational vision is absolutely useless discussion, because it will be a one-sided investment that will be destroyed right in front of your eyes in your lifetime, because other issues are constantly holding you back. So, in fact, in 2019, before the elections, I was asked to speak on this particular subject. I specifically said, you have to address civilizational legacy problems, because without them, every investment in Vikas will go right into the gutter. Thank you. I leave it at that.